Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Hot Wheels Turbo Garage playset. This is kind of a larger playset that costed about $15 to $20 in the stores. Comes with one vehicle, multi-level action, and no batteries required. Here's a look at the side and the top. Has a copyright of 2011. I will take a look at the back, show you the features that this set has. Has a tune-up station, jump and ramp. There's the jump. Has an entrance ramp here, and then a spinning garage wheel that can hold 4 cars, and here's the handle to twist it. And then up here we have a curved down track. So it looks like it has a lot of neat features, and it also looks like it's going to be one of those sets where assembly is very quick and easy, so I like that. So again, there's a look at the back packaging, and now let's open it up. Here's a look at everything included in the box. As you can see, some assembly is required, but it doesn't look like there are too many small parts, and the stickers are already applied, so that's very nice. It also comes with an instruction manual, and here's a closer look at the car included. This is what the set looks like fully assembled, and as you can see, it was very easy and quick to put together. Just a few parts to snap on. It was nice also to not have to worry about applying any decals. So here's a quick 360 of the set, just so you can see the whole thing from all angles. And I'll show you how this spinning wheel works as well. You just turn the crank counterclockwise, and what you're supposed to do is match up the arrows right here and right here, and that way you know it's safe to load cars in this side. And you can also unload cars up here and down here. Pretty cool system they made up for this. So that is how the spinning wheel works. And now I think it's time to test it out with some cars.